Hello my friends. In today's video, I wanted to review a tablet that was sent to me by Xencelabs. Correct me if I'm saying their name wrong. Xencelabs sent me their Medium Tablet bundle with the quick keys. Try it out, see if I liked it, recommend it to you guys if I enjoyed it. This is just gifted for an honest review. This is not a sponsorship. I'm not paid to say anything nice about this tablet. I'm just going to tell you my honest opinion as somebody who is a freelance artist and has been digitally painting for over 10 years now. Right now, this tablet is on sale. Instead of $359.99, so $360, it's on sale for $305.99 on their website for a spring sale. And right off the bat, I have to talk about the price point because it is a lot higher than a lot of other tablets that you could be getting at this size. I'm not saying it's not worth it or, it's overpriced, but if you're looking to buy a beginner tablet, definitely something to keep in mind. It's $300 on sale. I know that quick keys, the way that this tablet has, oftentimes are pretty expensive. I know that the TourBox Neo is $150, and so while the quick keys aren't exactly the same as the TourBox Neo, I think it's worth mentioning that it does come with a quick keys, and if this is something you're really interested in, it's probably a cheaper alternative to purchase this medium bundle with the quick keys rather than to purchase a tablet and then buy a TourBox Neo. This tablet is very well made, well packaged. I really like the way that it comes when it arrives. It's very professional, very luxe feeling. A lot of thought has gone into the packaging as well as the tablet design. A couple of things that I do love about this tablet. I love that it comes with a case that's protective for when you travel or take it out and about. That's something that's very important to me with a tablet, is being able to carry it around with me. My regular drawing tablet, I can't do that. I can't carry it around with me, and so I generally just carry my iPad if I plan on doing any kind of digital work because it's a lot more practical. So something to keep in mind if you're at college, university, or you work with an actual drawing tablet like this out of the house often, it is a really good size for portability, and the case that it comes with is really durable. It holds everything well. A second thing that I do love about this tablet is the two pens that it comes with. They're both battery free, which is fantastic. They have 60-degree tilt support. I love that they included the two pens because I personally prefer the thicker, bulkier grip pen. The other kind I feel starts to hurt my hand after a lot of painting. While I've tried a ton of pen tablets in the past, not a lot of them create pens with this kind of grip, and so that's a big deciding factor for me if I'm going to like a tablet, is the grip and the type of pen that it has. I like the thicker pen. I think it's more comfortable to hold. It's nice how there is a pen case to hold both of the digital pens, and it also includes a ton of nibs, which is always good. I think it's pretty standard for drawing tablets to come with a lot of nibs. This also comes with a drawing glove. If you use a drawing glove, it's great because you don't have to purchase one. I don't use a drawing glove. I tested it out, but I'm not a big fan. I'm not used to it, so I'm not going to use it. I think the biggest feature of this pen tablet bundle is the quick keys. It allows you to create up to 40 shortcuts per application that you're using. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I don't use quick keys. I don't ever use on tablets the custom functions. I don't use any of that. I'm just so used to working with my laptop and toggling between the shortcuts that I have on the keyboard. It's not something I really use or care about. So it's good. This whole bundle is high quality, but I wouldn't purchase this bundle for the quick keys if I was going to put my own money into it because I don't use it. You know your workflow, and if it's something that you require in your workflow, if it is, I recommend it. I don't think that for including the quick keys and the two pens and the quality of the tablet, I don't think it's a bad price necessarily, but if you're a beginner, I'm not sure I would recommend this tablet to you because it is a lot more expensive than other tablets I could recommend to you that I think function just as well. I can recommend it to you for the quality of the tablet. It performs well, it has no lag. I didn't have any problems with installation on my computer, and I didn't have any problems with the painting process itself. If you're asking me if I'm personally going to continue using this tablet, the answer is no, because I don't need a smaller tablet for travel. As I said before, I'll just use my iPad whenever I'm out and about, and because I digitally paint quite a lot on my computer and on a drawing tablet, I need something that is much larger than this one. This is not a con of the actual tablet itself, it's just what my preference is and what I need to use it for. So if I was in college right now and I needed to travel with it, I would definitely have this be my one tablet that I use, but I personally don't need it and it's not going to be impactful in my process. So all that to say, this tablet, I've been using it since December, be having it up on my Patreon. If you're interested in receiving it, you can head over to my Patreon. Any patron tier will be able to enter. I'm very, very happy to give this tablet to one of you guys because I think it's a high quality tablet and I know that somebody else could make really good use of it. I didn't actually talk about the painting for this piece at all, but it is a still from the show True Detective Season 1, Episode 4. I love the show. It's great. It's gory and kind of graphic, so if you're not into dark elements like that, you shouldn't watch the show, but I really enjoy it and I've been in a rut with my digital paintings and my subject matter, so I've decided to do a couple more studies to learn more about lighting and facial structures. There's more about the process for this piece on my actual Patreon. I break down my struggles and my inspiration and all that stuff. Break it down on my Patreon, but if you want to go check it out, everything will be linked down in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know if you want to see more tablet reviews because I can always make more tablet reviews, and we'll talk to you guys in my next video.